The Mazda 3 has long been a standout in the compact car segment, known for its sleek design, engaging driving dynamics, premium interior. For 2025, Mazda has refined the Mazda 3 even further, enhancing its style, performance, and technology to deliver an even more compelling package. Whether in sedan or hatchback form, 2025 Mazda 3 continues to challenge the notion of what a compact car can be, offering a driving experience that rivals more expensive vehicles. The 2025 Mazda 3 carries forward Mazda's Kodo design language, which emphasizes simplicity, elegance, and dynamic form. The exterior is a work of art, flowing lines and a minimalist approach that gives the car a sophisticated and sporty appearance. The front end features a bold grille with a mesh pattern, flanked by sharp LED headlights that integrate smoothly into the bodywork. The lower bumper is subtly sculpted, giving the Mazda 3 a more aggressive stance. The side profile is characterized by smooth surfaces and a rising beltline that adds a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The sedan version has a sleek, coupe-like silhouette, while the hatchback offers a more dynamic and youthful vibe, with its sloping roofline and distinctive rear design. Both body styles ride on new 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, with a striking multi-spoke design that enhances the car's sporty appeal. At the rear, the 2025 Mazda 3 features updated LED taillights with a more intricate design, emphasizing the car's width and giving it a modern look. The hatchback variant includes a roof spoiler and a sporty rear bumper, while the sedan maintains a clean and elegant rear end with chrome-tipped exhaust outlet. Overall, the 2025 Mazda 3's exterior design is a perfect blend of athleticism and refinement, making it one of the best-looking cars in its class. Performance and handling. The 2025 Mazda 3 continues to offer a choice of engines, each designed to provide a balance of performance and efficiency. The base engine is a 2.0-liter inline-4, producing 155 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine offers smooth and efficient performance, making it ideal for urban driving and daily commuting. For those seeking more power, the Mazda 3 is also available with a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine that delivers 186 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides brisk acceleration and a more engaging driving experience, especially when paired with Mazda's available iActive all-wheel drive system. The all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability in various driving conditions, making the Mazda 3 a confident performer in all weather. For enthusiasts, Mazda offers the Mazda 3 Turbo, which features a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, producing 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel.